Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. I have got a really quick and simple card for you today. It's this one using the Sweet as a Peach photopolymer stamp set from the new catalogue. It's one of my favourite new stamps, coming in as a back runner. I liked it when I went through the catalogue. I thought it would go really nice with the sweet strawberry that we already got. And I thought it'd be nice to have the strawberries and the peaches together, so that's why I purchased it. But since I've been playing with it, I fell in love with it. I think it's really nice, and I love the distinctive stamp effect that you get on this. So I'm going to show you how to put together this really simple card. But if you like this set as well, please do make sure you're subscribed, because there are 4 or 5 videos that I've done today that are now scheduled to come out over the next 4 to 5 weeks. So they will be appearing on my channel, and I would hate for you to miss them if you're an equal fan of this set like I am. So first of all, basic white cardstock. This is 10.5 centimeters by 14.85. So it is the exact same size as my card base. What you're going to need to put on your blocks is a sentiment. So I've got "Have a Peachy Day." I've got my peach. I've got the little leaf here, these teeny tiny little flowers, and I've also got this detail here, which I'm pretty sure is supposed to go on the top of the peach when it's stuck to the branches, or in the flower as a little bit of sort of, detail. But I've just popped it separately as a starburst because I think it's quite a nice little detail just for some sort of texture. So the colours you're going to need for this one are Pale Papaya, Mango Melody, Pear Pizzazz, and of course your Memento Tuxedo Black ink pad. Can't go anywhere without that, right? So Pale Papaya. The one thing I will say is if you are investing in this set, I would also pick up one of our mats as well. So this is our piercing mat. You can find it towards the back in the tools section of the annual catalogue, but it's really useful with some of our distinctive photopolymer stamp sets because it helps you get a much cleaner, crisper stamp. And I found with this stamp set, I really do need it. So it helps make it look beautiful. Okay, so you want to stamp that down. And this is this distinctiveness that I was talking about with this stamp. It sort of stamps darker on the one side, lighter on the other, and it actually makes it look like it's got a shine. So it makes it look like you've done a really cool effect with your stamp and took ages perfecting it, when really you've just stamped. So there we are. I've popped 2 of them just diagonal to each other. That's it for my Pale Papaya. Bring the Pear Pizzazz in. And the leaves. Now you can go either way with these leaves. You can put them that way and have them going off to that side, or you can put them that way and have them going off to this side. I have actually done this side. I don't know why, I just like having it going this way. And on all of the cards that I've done with this set, the leaves go that way, even though I know I could get them going that way, but to me it just, that must be the way I quite like. Right, next colour up, Mango Melody, and the teeny tiny little flowers. Now you get 3 little flowers on this set, but I will show you what I have done in a minute. So because, knocking everything around. So because I felt there was a lot of detail going on, and we were at a risk of having more detail than we were actually having an image, I decided that with the black little star to go over one of the flowers. Like that. So we still had my black little star, but we didn't have as many flowers, and I just thought it toned it down slightly. Okay, while I've got that out, I'm going to grab my sentiments. So I have got Have a Peachy Day. And I've got a piece of scrap basic white. I'm just going to stamp that down, and using the tailored tag punch, I'm just going to pop that out. Have a peachy day, people. I love that sentiment. When people ask me actually at work if I'm okay or if I'm having a good day or how's things, if I'm having a bad day, I tend to go, oh, it's just peachy. Totally sarcastic, but that's a very Halsey phrase. I put a big smile on my face and go, oh, it's just peachy. So if you ever hear me say that, you know that life's not going fantastically great at that time. So it made me smile as soon as I saw peachy as a sentiment. I was like, that's a me. So I'm just going to run a strip of seal along there just to hold my ribbon in place for a second or two, so that I can turn it over and stick it down on the corners. A piece of basic white cardstock. This is for my base. So I've already cut it in half and scored it in half. I'm literally just burnishing it. I'm going to stick it on. I have a massive, great big pile of card bases at the side of my desk that is already cut and scored. I actually score all my A4 pieces and then spend an evening just cutting them in half. And I have a big pile of them to the side of my desk. So for all videos, I only ever burnish. I don't burnish beforehand because otherwise it makes a messy pile. So there we go. Sentiment on next. So a couple of dimensionals on the back of the sentiment. And just offset it to the side like that. And finally, well, not finally actually, we've got some embellishments to play with as well. So second from last, finally. Is it the penultimate? Is that the word for it, I think? Oh, too busy thinking about words, not thinking about bows. So this is the gorgeous ribbon that you can get for the in colours. It's the open weave ribbon, and we have this in the 5 colours of all of the brand new in colours, and it matches them perfectly. So this is obviously the pale papaya one, but you can get it in quite a few of our colours, and it's just really nice. I love that it's really obvious on the outside what it is on this, like on this deeper bit, but that on the inside it looks relatively nude, and I think that's just lovely. I'm just going to add a little bit of glue there, pop my bow on, and to finish it off we've got the 2021-2023 embellishment dots, and I'm just popping these around. I'm doing a mixture of little and big, and I'm putting them where those detailed bits are, just to give it a real shimmer, because those really shine. Okay, and there's the card with one of my new favourite stamp sets. Who would have thought it? Sweet as a peach. You can purchase this stamp set and everything else I have used from slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thank you ever so much for joining me today. If you have enjoyed the video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you all soon. Have a lovely day, everybody. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.